Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp on your phone, then tap the update icon and select the status that you want to watch. If you notice that your status has no sound, try to turn up your volume. Also, make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Next, go to your settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Then select App Management. Find and tap WhatsApp, then click Permissions. Here, make sure that your microphone is set to allow only while using the app. And also, ensure that microphone access for this app that is turned on. And that's it. You've fixed the no sound issue in WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.